Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and today is Tuesday, November 1st, and this video is about my crochet along and my monthly Annie's calendar. Let me show it to you. I don't want to lose my marked page. Here we go. The Crochet Calendar 2022 that I've been doing. We've been doing the projects all month long, or all year long. So these are the projects that we've done so far. This month, for the month of October, was the baskets, which were so cute, but I didn't quite get how to do it. I did my own kind of thing. And a lot of people did do their own kind of thing. So my basket, the first one, which I think is just such a cute idea, hold your paper plates. How cute is that? I mean, it's adorbs. The way they had you do it with that, like they were running the brown through there, I didn't quite understand that. Some of these, they weren't real easy to follow, some of these patterns. And I think I'm not the only one that had trouble with them. So I'm not, just a heads up, I'm not going to do this calendar again next year, just because mostly the patterns are like, sometimes they're not real easy to follow, and I didn't want it to be something that was a pain in the rear end. The participation has been not real great, and I'm not complaining about that. I wanted to do the calendar, and it's cool if you do it with me. I had much more participation this year, or this month, than we've had in many of the months. So I'm real happy about that. And I have everybody's name now on a piece of paper inside the basket, because why not, right? So if you participate in the crochet along, and there is a hashtag, it is hashtag CGC, which stands for Charmed Grammy Crochet. Crochet Cal for calendar and crochet along 2022. So if you want to participate this month, for the month of November, this is what the crochet calendar shows. It is a placemat with leaves, little fall leaves on it, and a napkin ring holder. I'm not going to do the napkin ring holder. I'm not even sure I'm going to do this placemat, to be quite honest with you. But I may. It's not really like my cup of tea, and I think I could probably find a placemat that I would like better. So for participation for November, it is the month of Thanksgiving here in the U.S., so you can do a Thanksgiving themed placemat, or, if you want to do placemats for Christmas, for, because that starts like right after Thanksgiving, we start the Christmas season. So if you want to do a Christmas placemat, that would be fine. If you want to do a fall placemat, that would be fine. If you want to do a placemat that you could do and leave on your table every day of the year and just have it be tan so that it works for everything, that would be fine. I'm thinking I'm going to use, I have this yarn. This was a big, huge, if you can see. What is this? Premier Home Cotton. It was, and I was making something that I didn't make out of it. But this is leftover of that. This is another one in this color. So I'm going to start with these. My dining room really is completely neutral. It's got it's antique white. I know they look tan or yellow, but the walls are antique white is the color of the paint. So any color, and my carpet is tan. So I have this in here. Well, I won't use this, but this is like awesome, just scrappy cotton. I'm hoping that between the orange and the and this. I think I'm going to start with this as the background. But then I have some orange, oh, well, I have some brown, maybe, oh, it's not very big. And there's some black in here, and some green, and some red, got some white, got some blue. I just have all kinds of colors in here. Well, not all kinds, but I have several colors in here of just, 4-weight cotton, kitchen cotton. And I am looking at this and I'm thinking I think I like the stitch pattern. It's just maybe double crochet. I don't know if I like the ridge. Not because I think the ridge is a problem, but, and I don't know that I like the design on it. Because what if I, I know myself, I'm going to be like, oh, and I'm going to try to put my glass on and just set it down without paying attention. And then I'm going to put it on that right there, and I'm going to spill it all over the table. So that being said, I don't know that I want to put anything that's going to stick up on top of it. Do you know what I mean? But I think I want to do something in the more neutral, like these colors. The browns, the tans, maybe throw a little orange in there. I don't know. But because this is orange, I thought I'm going to use up the scrap stuff. And maybe I'll just do, so many lines of this color, so many rows of this color, and do it kind of scrappy like that. I don't know. And I think I'm going to see if I can make 2 out of what I have here. One for Roy and one for myself. And maybe we'll try putting those on the table sometime. And if I use them in the orange colors, and it kind of goes with I can keep my little basket out, orange to neutral, and it can just be like a fall theme for the table. Not that I keep the paper plates on my table on a regular basis, but anyway, that's kind of what I'm thinking. If I go with this basket of natural colors, more neutral colors, and so I'm either thinking go with the applique, but do throughout the course of the next year, maybe change so you can just like pin it on or whatever and change out the applique to make it different. I mean, it's a cute thought. No, I probably won't do that. It is a cute thought though. So yeah, we're just going to go with neutrals and probably no flowers. So if you just make placemats, and if you wanted to do like one bigger one just for the center of the table to put your, main dish on, that could work too, I guess. So if you want to participate for November, you need to make a placemat. Let's go with 2. You have to make 2. I mean, because you could just go back and forth with one color and it'll take you 25 minutes. So do 2. And at the end of the month, you have to, throughout the month, as you complete your projects, send me a picture either via my email or in my Facebook group page. Both are in the description box below. If you're not a member of my Facebook group page, go join it. And you don't have to like go there all the time or anything like that. It's just a good place to show off your work and show off things that we're doing together. And then I can just type in the hashtag. Again, it's hashtag CGC Crochet Cal 2022. So you put your pictures in. Then at the end of the month, I'm going to take your pictures out and I'm going to put them at the end of the video. They'll be at the end of this video. Everyone that participated. And there's a prize. So what's the prize? It's going to be a $25 gift card because that's all I can afford right now. And it is going to go to the person whose name gets picked. And they're all right here. But I think we should get some good participation. Be creative. Have some fun with this. You can do any design that you want on there. Be as, I'm hoping to see you know, some turkeys or some Christmas designs or just some real cool fall or anything for any all year. Okay, so here we go. Are we ready to see who the winner is? Here we go. And the winner is Kathleen Ulrich. Yay! I think you were the first one to finish this project this time, this month. So Kathleen, I know you have my email. I probably have your address somewhere already, but email it to me so I have it, and where you want your gift card to. It can be anywhere that I can send an electronic gift card, be it Amazon, be it Michael's, be it some local yarn shop, which I think is really cool to do that. Maybe someone on Etsy that we could, you know, get a gift card or gift certificate from. I did have a woman win from Australia, and I emailed, she wanted a gift card to, a gift certificate to a local yarn shop where she could buy yarn that she'd had her eye on, and it was expensive. So she added my gift card to her own money and then was able to buy the expensive yarn, which I thought was really cool. I emailed them. They said, sure, sure, sure. And I sent them, you know, US dollars. They did their thing. And she was able to get the yarn she's been eyeing at the local yarn shop, which I thought was really, really awesome. So that is all I have for you today for Crochet Calendar monthly thing. Make two. One for you, one for someone to have dinner with. 2 placemats, as easy or as complicated as you want them to be. Pictures, hashtag, prize. That's how it works. Okay. Good luck. And again, Kathleen, email me. I'll talk to you later. See you in the video tomorrow. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. You know all that stuff. See you tomorrow. Bye.